In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by date in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through a sea of rows just to find a specific time frame, this will save you time and keep your spreadsheet focused on exactly what you need. We'll start by turning on filters. Look for the small funnel icon in the toolbar at the top of your sheet. Click it to enable filters. When filters are on, you'll notice a little filter icon appears in the header of each column. That icon is your control panel for narrowing down what you see. And it's especially helpful on a column that contains dates. If your sheet has a dedicated date column, that's the one you'll work with. Next, click the filter icon in the header of your date column and choose Filter by Condition. You might see a long list of individual dates you could uncheck one by one, but that's tedious and easy to mess up. Instead, use the drop-down under Filter by Condition to apply a smart filter. From here, you can pick options like Date is After, Date is Before, or Date is Between. These conditions let you define a clear window of time without manually toggling every single date. For example, if you want to see everything from the start of last quarter through the end of last quarter, choose Date is Between, then enter your start and end dates. If you're reviewing recent activity, Date is after with the first day of the current month is a clean way to focus the view. These filters update the visible rows right away, without changing your underlying data. You can also choose relative dates, such as yesterday or past year. These are especially powerful for recurring reports, dashboards, or check-ins, because the filter updates itself each time you open the sheet. Set it once, and tomorrow it'll still be correct without you lifting a finger. It's a great way to keep trends and recent performance front and center. A quick tip for clarity: make sure your date column is actually recognized as dates in Google Sheets, not text that looks like dates. When the data is truly formatted as dates, these conditions work perfectly and return accurate results. That's all it takes. Turn on your filters, open the filter menu on your date column, choose Filter by Condition, and pick the date rule that matches what you want to see. With that, you'll find exactly what you need, instantly. If this was helpful, keep exploring more Google Sheets basics to streamline your workflow.